Good morning. Okay, so this is our new... Oh my goodness, the weather is perfect. Nai, come here. This is our new view. Oh my goodness.
Napakaganda. Kaya lang nakakalula.
Yeah, this is ocean front view.
Wow, napakaganda talaga. Sulit oh, maragin dito oh.
Yeah, the city is right there in the morning.
Ganda.
It's partly cloudy today. Yeah, Nana and I are planning to walk the seaside.
Ayan ang buhok mo, hindi ka pa nakakatsulit.
Oh, ano niya, ang init. Ang ganda ng weather, Philippine weather.
Nakakalula. Diyos ko.
Pag natingin ka sa baba. Walang boats. Walang walang boat. And it's low tide.
Dito mo lang dito, alam basura. Sa Pinas, Diyos ko, puro basura. Yan. Ano? Dito,
Ocean yan eh. Dagat yun naalagaan talaga.
makalinis. Ano kaya sa gitna kaya niyan may pating?
Abi, meron eh. May ocean yan. Klaseng tanong eh. Because I think the last... our room is right there. Right, like right there. Now it's like right here. So,
Ganda ng view.
it's like... This is called Infinity Balcony. The moon is still there. 6 o'clock. Yeah.
Napakaganda nga.
I keep waking up in the morning.